Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Apple Cash is ready to pay. Open Wallet and make sure the Apple Cash card is listed and funded. Top it up if needed. Once done, check settings to confirm Face ID or passcode is enabled for App Store purchases so you can authenticate quickly. You do this now because the App Store uses your Apple ID balance automatically. Confirming settings saves time and prevents failed transactions when you buy gems in Clash Royale. Now you open Clash Royale and go straight to the shop to pick a gem pack. Tap Buy and wait for the App Store payment sheet to appear. It lists available payment methods. Make sure Apple Cash appears and is selected as the active payment source. You'll see the final amount and any local taxes. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode when prompted. This step completes the charge immediately and delivers gems to your account. Finish by confirming the gems show up in Clash Royale. Open your inventory or chest screen to verify. If you don't see them, check the App Store purchase history and your email receipt for confirmation. If the charge failed, make sure your Apple Cash balance covers the total, your internet is stable, and Apple's system status is normal. Once done, try signing out and back into your Apple ID or contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.